We're titling this section, There's Light at the End of the Tunnel, and it's not that of an oncoming train. But we have some reservations. Those of you who know me know that I'm not the biggest optimist, but we've seen the stock market recover post the Biden election, as well as the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccine news. What these things have done is that they've bracketed the downside risk. In addition, the economy has shown a pretty strong recovery in Q3 after the dark days of Q2 when we were all sitting in our homes and did not know when we would be able to get back to some degree of normalcy. But there are headwinds. COVID numbers are likely to continue to increase. We've already seen record numbers both in the US and Europe. This is likely going to continue into the winter. Consumer confidence that had not recovered to pre-pandemic levels is likely going to take another hit. 4Q activity is probably down from where we were in 3Q because on the margin, economic activity is going to be lower. What does it mean for the CMBS market? Spreads have gone up and stayed there, and they are at high levels. And delinquencies are also higher, especially in hospitality and other industries. Issuance expectations are lower. We are at about half of issuance in 2020 than we were in 2019, and that the expectation is 2021 is going to be similar. So what has that done for our pipeline? As you can see in the chart, it has exploded. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, our pipeline is much, much, much higher. We have a very good environment for finding opportunity. Suffice it to say, we're in a target-rich environment for our business. This environment is ideally suited for our top-down and bottom-up approach to deal selection and portfolio creation. First of all, our sourcing funnel is very wide. We see a lot of deals, and then it goes through a very, very disciplined process of deal selection and portfolio creation. First and foremost, we are senior secured. Therefore, we are relatively market agnostic and downside protected. On top of that, we have an analytical approach that is factor and model driven that allows us to find the best deals that we are going to invest in. With all this said, we are able to target double-digit returns for our investors. Please comment on what you've heard here. My goal here is to make this a discussion forum for like-minded professionals. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.